Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of cooking Egyptian classic dishes. I'm going to show you how to make the most famous Egyptian dessert, Ali. Let's start. So Ali means the mother of Ali. It's a story which goes back years and years in history during the Islamic period. I'm going to post a link below on this story if you are interested. So what is Ali? It's a bread pudding. What can we use to make this bread pudding? There are so many options. There is the flakes of dried bread that I used before for ro'e. There is also the filo dough you can use, and also the puff pastry. Today I'm going to show you how to use the flakes of dried bread. So my ingredients are, I have 4 flakes of dried bread remaining from last time when I used the ro'e. I have 2 cups of boiling milk. I'm boiling it right now. I have half a cup of sugar. I have in between the layers, I'm going to put coconut. I have here 1/3 cup of coconut, and I have mixed nuts. I have pecan and walnut. I will put in between layers. And I have 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream that I will add on top. So the milk is almost boiled. So I'm going to add the sugar. And I will mix. Make sure it's dissolved. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have 4 small serving bowls where I'm going to make my bread pudding. It's up to you if you want to serve it in a big bowl as you like. That's what I'm using today. And I'm using 1 flake of bread for each bowl. And the 2 cups of milk, I'm going to distribute them on the 4 serving bowls. So I broke half of 1 dried flake of bread into this small serving bowl, and then I'm going to add some nuts. It's a very easy recipe. You can really do it and impress your guests. And I will add some coconut, like 1 tablespoon. If you don't like coconut, you don't have to add it. Then I'm going to add more, or the second half of the bread flakes, like that. So right now, as you see, it's all ready. I put the bread flakes and the nuts, and then another layer of bread flakes. Now the milk is ready with the sugar and the vanilla. I'm going to add equally 1 big spoon for each serving bowl. And then on top, I'm going to add the heavy whipping cream. This is just to add a wonderful color and texture. And then I'm going to put it on broil. So broil on low and put it in the medium rack for best results. It's supposed to just get the color from top and stay crispy and yummy from the middle. My Ali is ready now. It took exactly 10 minutes on low on the broil. And I'm going to show you how it looks like from inside. We'll grab one of the bowls. It's crispy from the top. Very soft and yummy from the inside. I hope you give it a try, and please let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.